Hello friends, welcome back to my YouTube channel, The IT Spot. Look friends, first of all, our today's tutorial is from zero level. From today, our class is the first class. New video on Azure will come on every week. Before starting Azure, we have to clear our base. It means concept. Because till the time your basics are not clear, I will not be able to give you this training of Azure. So first we have our first topic. I have written in notepad. You should know this. You should know this all. There is first is network OS, second is client OS, third is traditional IT, fourth is virtualization, fifth is cloud computing, sixth is on-demand service, seven is pay as you go. These are the seven topics we study. These seven topics because on which your existing environment is based, which means you are already set up is on premises. So we have to learn solutioning, how to create solution in the cloud. This means that if a customer's environment is running on physical hardware on the premises, then how will you pitch it to the cloud? So it is very important to know this. It's not very important only, it's a very important. Okay, now if I start making you read a PowerPoint presentation PPT directly, then neither you will be able to understand, nor I will be able to explain it to you properly. Then first the concept should be clear properly. So therefore first we have to proceed step by step and nor not start doing it practically all at once. So first your base should be clear. So first you will clear the basic concept and gradually you will keep doing all the things practically. Everything will be practical, but first there was theory and second practical. Your theory should be strong because only the one whose theory is strong will be able to crack the job interview and get the job. If your theory is not strong, no matter how much effort you put in, no matter how much practical you do, you will not be able to get a great job. Because doing next does not accomplish everything. Because by doing that you will not be able to become a good engineer unless you know the solution. You should come with theory solution and you should remember the practical step as to how it perform practically. If you are doing next, so why are you doing it? You should know all these things step by step. So, friends, so we will learn from absolutely zero level. So we will pick up one topic, and one things, one topic, and we will learn one by one. So we have to focus one by one on those steps. So whatever topic I am teaching you all, you should watch the entire video, listen it, listen to it carefully, pause it, listen for 2 to 3 minutes, and note down whatever I am saying. Whatever I am saying, keep writing it down and improve your explanation from it as to how you can explain it better. Whatever I am saying, you have to say the same thing in the job interview, because only if you say as per my instruction, you will be able to crack job interviews in big multinational companies and firms. So all the tutorial video that I will provide you will be solution based, because I am not a institute guy who work Monday to Sunday. I am a professional tech lead. So whatever work I do, whatever the people in my team do, I will teach you the same thing in this video, so that you can get the job easily and crack the interview. My goal is that you can work in a production environment. You have to work very hard with solutioning. There is no coding in it. So let's start our training. Look, first of all, we have we have network OS. Let's show on the pen. First topical. So, look, first of all, we have network OS, right? We have network OS. We need to read about network OS. Why do we use network OS? So look, network OS, network operating system. So network operating system. For example, if you have Windows 10, Windows 11, Linux on your computer, then what do we call it? We call it operating system. Now there is one your network operating system. Your network operating system, which network operating system is of Windows. The Windows network operating system is of Windows. One is Windows Server 2008, R2, Windows Server 2012, and Windows Server 2019, Windows Server 2022, and latest is Windows Windows Server 2025. This is your Windows network operating system. Now let's understand this is your Windows network operating system. What is the Linux operating system that you have? Linux network OS. It is the Windows network. Let me correct it. Windows network OS. Okay. These are the Windows network, and what will be the Linux network operating system? That is there is a network OS which is an operating system. There is one called Red, one is called Red Hat Linux, and second is SUSE Linux. Basically, we use this for the Saif Hana. I will tell you later. That is hap- that is happen. One is Windows Network. One is Windows Network, and in this Windows Network 2008 R2, Windows Network 2000 Server 212, Windows Network 2019, Windows Network 2022, and latest is Windows Server 2025. And what are the network operating system of Linux? This is the Red Hat Linux and the SUSE Linux. These are our two types of network operating system, Windows and Linux. So if you are working in a production environment on the cloud, what kind of question should you ask the customer? You will ask that means any customer environment, whatever is his infrastructure is running on premises, physical hardware. So how are you asking him the question that, sir, on which operating system is your environment running? Okay, because you have to pitch it to the cloud, isn't it? Because you have to collect information, you are transitioning, right? So what would you ask? Meaning of transition. Meaning of transition. Meaning of transition. You should ask them which operating system is running in your environment. So you will not ask that, sir, your company has Windows Server 2008 R2, Windows Server 2012, Windows Server 2019, Windows Server 2012, and Windows Server 2025. No, this is not a question. You should not ask like this. How do you ask, sir? What are the networking operating system in your What are the networking operating system in your environment? Windows and Linux. So what will the client tell you? Sir, in my environment, we are using Windows Server 2008 R2, Windows Server 2012, Windows Server 2019, Windows Server 2025, and in Linux, Red Hat Linux, SUSE Linux. Then you have to ask question in this manner to the customer at the time of transitioning, right? So I hope it is clear what I told you. Then we have to move ahead. Now network OS, this is done for you. The network OS, this is done for you. Now this is the network OS. Which processor does it use in the background? Right? Now just like 1 minute. Like you have like you have mm, like you have Windows 11. This Windows 11 is installed. So this is my laptop. This is the Windows 11. You can see it's a Windows 12. This is the Windows 10. You can see this is Windows 10 Professional. So this is my laptop Core i7. Windows 10 is on top of the Core i7. This is the processor is Core i7. There is installed RAM 8 GB, graphics card, storage, and all things. So such are network operating system. So this is a client system, but we have to learn about we have to learn about 1 second. 1 second. So such are the network operating system. Which processor do we have used for this network operating system? The processor we use for network OS in is Xeon processor. What processor uses? It's a processor Xeon. Why do we use Xeon processor? Because it is a powerful processor. Because these server run 24 into 7. These server keep running all year long. So this processor of your does not hang. Means there is no hardware fault. What application do you install on them? Look, whatever website you open like Facebook, YouTube, and other bank or any other in-house application, all the database has been backed, backup up, files server, mail server, all those applications are installed on the network operating system. I hope it is clear. For example, here like here like one second. Here like just a minute. For example, here like web server, file server, web server, file server, our backup server, database server, and domain server, etc. I will tell you which server is a domain controller and how to create one. Just like you log in on your computer, like there is a sales department, accounts department, BPO, cloud department. There are all the department. Then all the users are created on the domain controller. All the users are created on domain controller. Windows OS on network and Linux OS on network. What is the meaning of server? It provide services. These both server are provide the services. For example, like if you are go to a restaurant, what is the waiter? Like if you go to the restaurant, whatever, what is the waiter there? He is your server. What is he providing you? He is providing you services. different services are being provided to you. So you are accessing it. So what, you are the client, and the waiter has become a server. So it happened in our IT field also, that what the Windows operating system does to you is that they provide services, means provide services to the user. And let me check. This is the your Xeon processor. Look like this. Like we have a web server. So suppose you open a bank website, you open it on Google. So if you are doing net banking on that website, then application that is installed in the backend for the net banking on the web server, on which operating system is it installed? It is installed on the network operating system like Windows Network OS and Linux Windows OS. Always remember these things. And the processor which is used in the backend, which is Xeon processor here. This is the Xeon processor. I will show, this is the Xeon processor. Look what happened here. This is the network OS. Inside network OS, like inside the premises, you install the network operating system. Okay, what do you do inside the network OS? Whatever processor inside. Let me show you the rack. Show you the rack. Like this. One second. Just copy it. This is the server rack. What do you do inside the network OS? Whatever processor inside the network OS does it. Xeon processor is used in it. Like you got your desktop, so there is a cabinet inside the desktop, and you install the motherboard, install the processor, install RAM, hard disk and supply, and you are using it. It is for our users. But in the same manner, if where the server are installed, this is a rack here. This is a rack here. Just like you have a wardrobe, similarly you have a server rack. Inside the rack, there is a motherboard, RAM, power supply, hard disk, graphics card, etc. and assemble it and close it. And what do you do inside it? The Xeon processor is assembled inside it. All the application we have running, they use the Xeon processor because this is a powerful server, and the hardware is powerful hardware which will run for 730 hours. It will run for 30 days. It will run for 365 days. It will be run for the whole year. Then the server will not hang at all, and the performance will remain high. Even though your server is getting crores of hits, the server utilization will not remain high, means your application will not hang. So today class is now over. In the next video will be on client OS. Today we learn about the network OS. There is a Windows Network OS and the Linux Network OS, and learn about the Intel Xeon processor and rack. So next video will be on client OS. If you like this video, please like, share, and comments, and subscribe my channel. We will release the next video soon, next week, or maybe before. Thank you for watching this video. Thanks.